What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel. Now, if this is your first time here, man, I appreciate you for stopping by. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content. And last but not least, man, I got my IG name listed right here down below. Head over to IG, man, give me a follow. Let's interact on there as well. Now, let's hop right into it, man. I got a women's Nike dunk for y'all. And when I grabbed these joints off the Nike app, I didn't really think anything of it. But once I got them in hand, these joints are super nice, bro. Details are really crazy on this one. Still a regular dunk per se, but some super nice details and some nice touches on this one, bro. But get into the box, man. Regular red Nike dunk box. Nothing special on either side of the box. Tag on this joint reads, women's Nike dunk low, Cell, Phantom Dust, and Tawny. This is a size 8 women, 6.5 men. And let's get into these joints, bro. Now here we have the new women's Nike Dunk Low, Needlework, Cell Aura. Right off the rip, man, you see that swoosh, man, with those nice embossed graphics. That's where the needlework comes in, and that's the main new thing about this dunk, bro. But let's get into this joint. Let's get into it. Now the color on this shoe is Cell and Photon Dust all the way around, man. That white and gray, Cell and gray all the way around the shoe. Very neutral. You can see those prints on that swoosh, man. It's kind of giving like an old school rug vibe, I would say, man. It has like floral looking print on there, and that's where the name Needlework comes in. They have like new print, and it's the first time I've seen them do this style of swoosh where they have like a fully embossed graphic on the swoosh, man, into the leather. This one is super dope. Another one of the more popular touches would be those nice thick rope laces, man. These joints aren't thin like the joints on the Fly Streetwear SBs. These are a nice thick pair, and I really like these joints, bro. Some really nice quality rope laces, man. You can see those right here. Nice rope laces. First time I've seen Nike release these joints on a dunk. If I'm not mistaken, who else had rope laces? I think like the Travis had rope laces. Those Fly Streetwear. I think this is like the first like regular release with rope laces, bro. But these joints are clean. Joints have a white nylon tongue all the way through, man. White Nike tongue tag with the white Nike embroidered on there. And on the inside, that's that tawny colorway. It's like a light brown, really kind of like a darker version of burnt orange. But it's like a light brown on that insole with the Nike scripted in there. Now, another nice hit would be the back of the shoe, man. It has that Cell and Photon Dust hits all across the back. And on that Nike tab on the back, it has the Nike embossed in, and it has like the perforated lines. And it also has like a dermal stone in place of the dot on the top of the eye of the shoe. That's a really nice touch, man. It has like a little diamond feel to it. But with the dermal style implant, man, that's the first time I've seen Nike do this as well, bro. This is kind of like a newer style of the dunk, if I would say, man. They have like some really nice details. These rope laces are dope. Hate that these are women's shoes. I know I say that a lot when I get these super detailed and clean women pairs, but these are nice, bro. Yeah, leave me a comment down below, man. Let me know how you guys are feeling about these. Super neutral, bro. Photon Dust, which is like a gray color, and it has the Cell going all the way around. Cell going across that midsole. Photon Dust or gray going across that full outsole, man. Really a two-tone color shoe. My favorite style of dunk with the two tones and the mismatched panels, bro. These joints are clean. Another hit would be they changed the perforation on the toe box on these joints, man. Not sure what this pattern is referring to, but it's not the regular perforation that we'll see like on a Nike Dunk or Air Force One or even a Jordan 1, man. They switched it up for these joints, and I like it, bro. I like it. I like the details. I like the switch up. Nothing too crazy. It's still a dunk, bro. They didn't really switch it up structurally, but the details and the design of it, they switched it up, and I like the details they added onto these joints. Now getting into the left shoe, man, just the same as the right. It has that Photon Dust and Cell going all the way around. Has that really dope Nike check here, but they added the embossed needlework print. Same thing on the inside of the shoe. Both shoes have that embossed print onto the swoosh. This one has the dermal style stone on the back as well with the Nike embossed in. Same color insole on the inside, man. Nothing new there. Has the Nike on the inside and that tawny colorway. Rope laces, one of my favorite touches, bro. I wish I could steal these joints and put them in my shoe, but with this being such a small size, man, they won't really work for me. The laces aren't long enough, but these joints are clean, man. I love the details on here. Love the change up of the perforation on the toe box, man. I like the stone, the dermal style piercing on the stone on the back. The swoosh is really crazy, man. It's something that you'll have to see in hand just to see the details of, but this is a nice one, bro. Y'all leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you feeling about these. Did you sleep on these? Were these on your radar when they dropped on Nike the other day? I believe these dropped the same day as the Active Fuchsia, the pink grade school dunk. So a lot of people were going for those. I don't think these were on just too many people's radar. With them being like a gray and white dunk, I knew like a lot of people would kind of go for them just off of the neutralness of the color. But I don't think these details were properly, you know, publicized, man. I don't think Nike pushed these joints at all. These joints didn't really hit any of the sneaker blogs like that. And I believe if they would have showed a lot of these details, these joints would have went a lot quicker than they did. I think a lot of people were focused on the Active Fuchsia joints. Those have been really popular with the ladies and with the small feet gang, but this one is a super dope shoe. This one a really nice one. Now, as far as pricing on these joints, man, retail was 120 bucks. That's 130 in Texas after taxes. And they went pretty quick. They went pretty quick for them to be releasing alongside another dunk. They both sold out really fast. As far as resale on these, man, resale, it's kind of up there right now, man. Resale on the low end is like 180 to 200. And some of those big men's sizes are 250, 280. And I want to say I even seen 300 like on a size 12 women, which would be a 10.5 men. So with these being a really neutral shoe, man, I think these rope laces intrigue a lot of sneakerheads, man. The neutral color, anybody can pull it off, man. The stone on the back looks really dope. That's like a really new thing that I've never seen Nike do. So I mean, I can see how these joints are reselling like that, but it still caught me off guard, man. It was a regular dunk to me as far as the pictures. Then once I got them in hand, I was blown away. I'm not gonna lie to you. A lot of people, when I post these on my Instagram story, I just show like a detailed video of these, and a lot of people felt the same way I did. We just didn't know speaking for myself, man, I just didn't know that the details are crazy like this. You can kind of tell they had rope laces from the pictures. You can tell it has some kind of detail on the swoosh, but like I said, man, they didn't drop really detailed pictures of these. And I feel like when these joints hit different retailers and things like that, man, these are instant sellout for sure. Now, as far as quality on these joints, man, everything is pretty smooth, man. You're not getting any crazy leather or anything per se, but you do get like the little wrinkles around the toe just from where they bonded the midsole to the upper of the shoe. But other than that, man, no real like glue stains or stitching flaws or anything like that. And especially with them having like this special kind of swoosh, man, it's really neat, you feel me? No flaws there, no stitching flaws, no errors with them, like I guess embossing that graphic onto the swoosh or anything like that. Haven't seen anyone take pictures of their diamond falling off the back of the shoe or anything like that, man. So these joints are solid quality wise, man. No special leather per se, no special box, no special packaging, but as far as the details, they executed pretty well, man. Now that just about wraps it up for this video, man. Just want to give you guys a quick unboxing and review of these Needlework dunks, man. This is a women's release. It's probably the best women's dunk to release so far. Up there with the sand drifts for sure. The sand drifts is like maybe a better colorway. This one has a lot better details, man. I think I would take this one over the sand drift maybe just because of it. I'm a details guy, man. I definitely would take this one over the sand drift. Y'all let me know how you guys are feeling about these, man. Did you cop? If so, where from? I've seen a couple of boutiques like Center and Dallas release these joints. So yeah, if you cop, let me know where. It's just a drip, flip, skip. Let me know if you're checking for these. Let me know if this is something that you're passing on or this is something that you're really looking forward to, bro. But like I said, man, it's gonna wrap it up for this one, bro. Until next time on the next video, we got the Needlework Nike Dunk Lows, man. Women's release. Peace.